Every few months, someone declares manual testing dead. Then why do we keep on seeing bugs in application and news about system outages? Manual testing isn't dead. Bad testing is. Today we'll explain what manual testing is, why it still matters, where automation fits, and why teams that skip good manual testing release worse software. The idea comes from three places. First, automation hype. Automation is powerful, but it's not a replacement for thinking. Second, bad manual testing habits. Clicking randomly, vague bug reports, and no coverage strategy. And third, management misunderstanding. Automation sounds scalable, while manual testing sounds slow. That's a false comparison. Manual testing done poorly looks useless. Manual testing done correctly finds issues automation never will. Manual testing is not about randomly clicking buttons. Manual testing is understanding requirements, exploring workflows, challenging assumptions, evaluating usability and clarity, testing scenarios automation can't predict. For example, your automated test checks if a button works. Manual testing checks if the button makes sense. Automation validates behavior. Manual testing validates experience. Bad manual testing looks like this: running the same steps every sprint without thinking, no clear test objectives, no risk-based testing, poor bug reports, and no understanding of the system. This type of testing feels slow and low value. That's why people think manual testing is dead. The problem isn't manual testing. The problem is understanding how to do manual testing correctly. Manual testing is strongest when requirements are vague, features are new, UX matters, edge cases are unpredictable, and business logic is complex. For example, a checkout flow looks correct in automation. Manual testing reveals confusing copy, missing error messages, and broken user flows. Automation didn't fail. It just wasn't designed to see those issues. This is not manual versus automation. It's manual and automation. Automation handles repetition, regression, data-driven checks, while manual testing handles discovery, context, risk, and judgment. High-quality teams use both. Good manual testers test with purpose, use exploratory testing, understand the business, write clear bug reports, and know when automation should take over. Manual testing today is about thinking and not just following the acceptance criteria and clicking buttons. Manual testing isn't dead. Bad testing is. If your testing feels slow, boring, or useless, the fix isn't removing manual testing. The fix is doing it properly. Subscribe for more QA-focused videos.